Once upon a time, in the golden sands of ancient Egypt, there lived a wise and powerful ruler named King Khufu. He was known for his kindness, cleverness, and a big dream to build the tallest and grandest pyramid the world had ever seen. One sunny morning, King Khufu strolled through his palace gardens, admiring the blooming lotus flowers and listening to the sweet songs of the birds. But deep in his heart, he knew he wanted to create something truly amazing for his people and for all time, a magnificent pyramid that would last forever. Gathering all his advisors, Khufu declared, "I shall build a pyramid that touches the sky. It will be a place for me, a place for my family, and a symbol of our great Egypt." His advisors looked at him with wide eyes. "But, Your Majesty," one said, "a pyramid that grand would require thousands of stones and many hands to help you." King Khufu smiled. "Then that is what we shall do. I will ask the people of Egypt for their help. Together, we can achieve this dream." The very next day, King Khufu announced his plan to the people of Egypt. "I am asking for your hearts, your hands, and your strength to build a great pyramid," he proclaimed. "This will be a symbol of our unity and pride." The people cheered. They loved their king and were excited to help. Farmers, carpenters, and even children came together. With joyful hearts, they began to work. Every morning, they gathered at the construction site, their laughter echoing through the air as they carried heavy stones and listened to Khufu's inspiring tales about the stars above. As the weeks turned into months, the pyramid began to rise higher and higher. King Khufu worked alongside the workers, encouraging them and bringing them meals. He always reminded them, "Together, we can achieve great things." However, one day a little girl named Layla, who had come to help with her family, felt sad. She looked up at the towering structure and thought, "What if it doesn't look like the king dreams it will? What if it falls?" Seeing her frown, King Khufu knelt beside her. "What troubles you, dear Layla?" he asked gently. With a small voice, she replied, "What if the pyramid is not as grand as you dream? What if we fail?" King Khufu smiled warmly. "Layla, my dream is not just about the pyramid being tall. It's about the love, effort, and teamwork that we put into it. Every stone you carry, every laugh we share, is part of what makes it special. That is the heart of the pyramid." Inspired by his words, Layla smiled and rushed to join her friends. From that day on, she worked even harder, sharing stories and songs with everyone around her. After many months of hard work and laughter, the Great Pyramid was finally finished. It reached high into the bright blue sky, shining under the sun like a jewel. The people marveled at their creation,